Welcome guys to the ninth tutorial of this movie app series in which I'm using Android architecture and Jetpack components to develop a robust app. And now so far we have done so good and the app looks amazing. And yeah, this is the glitch that I was having is like you can just uh, you can just remove the scale type from here from the image view and add some coloring, and it's up to you. I know you can do that. If you can make this hard app, then you can definitely get around this one. Okay, so now what do we do with the favorite button? Okay, so we have to work with the favorite activity, and now we will create some new things. So stick with me. Now what we are trying to achieve is that whenever user wants to add that movie to favorites, it should be there when the app is offline. So you get the idea of app is all offline, but how do we add that? How do we get the movies from API and use it and download it into the local different database? One database is movie database, right? Which is this, where we are displaying our movies from it if it's offline. And now we have to create a favorite database where the database where you have saved your favorites, that can be shown from there. So let's just generate a new activity, and I will also add a new adapter because we would need it. Favorite adapter, and let's just create another entity for us. Favorite movie database, and also a favorite movie DAO. We need that, and similarly we need this, but we can just change the name of it. Just copy paste and create a new model for our favorite database and the things that we want to do with it. So it is going to be very interesting, and I hope you are excited. Favorite. Okay, so we just have to um, paste it in here, and we can change the name of it. Favorites. Okay, and the table name is favorite movies. Wherever we are seeing so now what is the error here? Yep, favorite. Let's get rid of the errors one by one. Favorite. Okay, perfect. This is ready, and one more thing what we will do is first let's just go to the movie detail activity and see if our click is working or not. So yeah, how do we make this button work for us? Or let's just get rid of this whole thing and use a little bit of a conventional approach. We can go to movie detail, let's just go in here and button 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 find view by ID fave button. Okay, let's add a all click listener to it, and what we'll do here is take some variables, strings, poster path, and first of all let's copy this line. So we are taking data from the result, the movie database, and adding it to um, yep, get poster path string overview. What we are saving is only the rating, maybe. String double vote average. Let me just see the spelling of this one in here, and even a result I can see because it's the same. Vote underscore average. Vote average. Vote average. Okay, the capital one. Vote average result. Get vote average. That's what I want to display mainly in the favorite one, right? So what else? The overview result dot get overview, and here we will favorite pass these all values into the constructor. Right now there is no constructor there, so we would have to create one in there. Poster path, voter average, overview, and then now just hang in there. We will go here and create another constructor, public favorite. Let's pass string poster path double vote average, and what else was there? String overview. So what we'll do here is just create a constructor of this. No, let's just remove this. Do it automatically rather than doing it manually. Okay, what do I need here? I need poster path 1. I need vote average, and I need an overview. Okay, so this is the constructor that we have created so that we can save movies into it. We'll go back to our, so now it's string some issue is here. What could be the issue? Maybe the placement of it. Okay, now it should indicate what we should add first. So first is overview, then is poster path, then is average. Yeah, the order must be wrong. And lastly is okay. So let's just yeah, that's it for now, and we will start a new activity whenever user has clicked onto the favorite button. We will start a new activity and we will send this favorited movie into that activity. So this is it, and now we will work on the our real stuff. DAO, insert, void, add fav movie. Instead of result, here will come favorite. And once we are showing movies from this database, then select from favorite movies database, LiveData, list, favorite, get favorite movies, and let's press Alt Enter. Okay, yeah, no semicolon. Okay, this is done. We will come back to, don't forget to annotate here the bindable and all that. I didn't, because we just copied pasted, so we had already done. If you are doing it from the new, then you have to add the annotations here, bindable and like all that, serialize and notify change and all that. So what we'll do is favorite movie database, here we will annotate it with database and entities. So the entity is favorite.class, version is 1, extend room database and abstract class, and also public abstract the interface fav movie. Okay, public static fav movie database instance, public static synchronized favorite movie database, get instance context alt enter to eliminate this. If these are the same steps that we have done for the movie database, so we'll be real quick. Room database dot builder, room dot builder, context. What's the class name? Favorite movie database. The database name is, that was the table name, sorry, earlier that I was referring to. This is the table name and this is the database name. Fav movie dbb. On and build. Return the instance in here. Okay, we are done here. And now what we have to do is we have to go to the repository and write methods. Fav movie database. We have to initialize our favorite movie database here also. Get instant, passing application in it. Okay, so here we will write a similar method as this is displaying movies locally stored. We will write a similar method that will display movies favorited. Get favorite movies in database. Okay, get favorite movies. Okay, done. Movies that you favorited. Okay, so this is done, and lastly we will create a method that will, maybe I will try to copy paste it and change it, that will similarly the way we were storing the API movies into the local database, now we are storing the API movies if you are clicking on the favorite button into the database. So let's just favorite favDAO favorite fav movie async here you will change it to favorite. Be very careful when you copy paste because you don't want to mess this up, because one mistake and this code is really big and we will just get lost, you know. Okay, so yep, here add favorite movies. Nope, here we have to make a change. Favorite favorites and favorites. Okay, I think we have done well, and now we will move to the view model. In view model there is nothing much, just we will write a code similar to this. Similar to these two, I think. Fav movies repository and favoriting movies, passing favorite, 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 live data, favorite, show fav movies, repository, get favorite movie setup. Okay, so this is done. Now what we will do is we will go to the movie adapter. Actually, how do I do this? Okay, we can go to, let's just try to copy paste it, or maybe we can just create the new one instead of like messing it up. And recycler view dot adapter, favorite adapter dot my view holder. So class my view holder extends recycler view dot view holder, and here what I will do is, so now if we go to our favorite activity, we can just edit it later, but for now we can just write this code within the layout brackets, layout body, so you know it oh, what is happening, it generates that class that we need. So favorite, or maybe I have to rebuild the project, but it will not be rebuilt because it's giving the errors. But yeah, we need the binding class. Okay, we have it here, favorite binding. Let's create a constructor. So this is wrong. Favorite binding activity. Oh wow, binding get root, and here we can implement the methods. Okay, let's get contacts, a new array list where what are we passing? Favorites. Favorite is array list. Yep. And what we will do here is, let's just get this and write in here too, and okay, alt insert constructor, two things being passed. Okay, and what we will do here is activity favorite binding, data binding utils, inflate, layout inflator, context get parent, get contacts, layout. Okay, so we have to create a layout file because activity favorite will show the views in the recycler view, so we have to fav style activity, fav style list. Okay, Okay, that's working perfectly. Okay, returning new my view holder activity favorite binding. Okay, done. So moving on, we have to favorite array list size. Okay, favorite favorite array list get index position and activity set. And what we will do here is, because we are not seeing the setter method, go in here and take this and put it into and here we should be seeing the setter for data binding favorite com.example.movies favorite. Okay, hopefully it will show us the, still not showing. Let's come back to in here. Maybe we can design it right away while we are at it. Okay, so in the favorite activity, what we want to display, we want to display similar to the main activity movie style. We want to display it like this, okay, so we can just use this layout. Okay, favorite list. This will save our time. And here we need namespace declarations, so we'll just get it from here. Where is that? Okay. Okay. So if I come here, then it should. Okay, still it's not showing me the. We have to rebuild the project, but we'll see to that. Okay, so in the main like favorite, we need a recycler view. So that I can get from the main activity. Okay, let's go and paste it in the favorite. And we can change it to RV favorites. Still for some reason it's not being appearing, and that's concerning. Let's try to rebuild the project. Yeah, we have to set this, but for some reason it's like not showing up. And let's find out why is that. Maybe we are missing the setter method. Hmm. Okay, we are using the wrong activity. Sorry, guys. We are using the wrong activity. Here should be fave style something binding because we are fave style binding. Yeah, this is the one that we need. That is why I was wondering why. Yeah, we were using the binding of this one, but whereas we should be using the binding of this layout. Okay, great. That is why I was being concerned. Okay, great. Okay, so oh yep. Okay, so now when we come in here, favorite list style set favorite is like that. Perfect. Now what we will do is we will go to, I think, hopefully into the last steps of in the main detail. What we will do here is we will initialize the view model review model and view model providers this get movie view model dot class. So what we are trying to do here is whatever this data is being coming here, we have to movie view model add movies get movies fave movies. So let me just go in here and see add fave movies, change it because I was being confused. So okay, what's wrong here? Mm, okay, yeah, this has nothing to do with that. Add favorite movies and pass this. Okay, so whatever the movie that we have clicked on, I'll just demonstrate it. If we have clicked on this and if we want to store this movie information, that is being done here into the favorite database. I'm writing this comment for you, so if you download this code from GitHub, you will not have a problem. You clicked on and are seeing detail of, if you want to favorite it, it's being favorited below. Okay, so now our only task left is we will go to favorite activity and load these favorite movies if you have clicked on favorite. And I will add a little toast message also. Once you click on the favorite button in the movie activity, so if this button is clicked, let's add a toast message, favorite it. Okay, and now we will go in here and work with, so same, take an array list, path favorite array list, new array list, and what we will do here is we will get our favorite adapter working, and then ViewModel and recycler view, and we will hit the ground running. So first of all, we will this activity is also activity favorite binding, okay, data binding utils, set content view this r.layout activity favorite. Okay, and what we will do here is also initialize our view model, so maybe I'll just take that code from here. Okay, view model is done here, and what we are doing here is simply loading the movies, get show favorite movies, observe new, this new, okay, some issue, yes, okay, that's great. And let's just create a recycler view, show favorite movies recycler view by passing this favorite array list in it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go to the main activity and get my recycler view that we were rocking in here and paste it, because after all the layout is the same, so it will work. Hopefully it should work. Okay, activity, so the recycler view rb favorites, favorite array list, and the adapter is okay. So we are having a little bit of a hiccup here of list favorite. required type. Okay, yeah, so the problem is in the view model we forgot maybe repository, maybe we forgot to get favoriting movies. Okay, the DAO. No, yeah, I had to go and check all the way back where we might have. Okay, yeah, movie adapter. So the mistake is here, not so far behind. We are fine. Okay, yeah. So, moment of truth, guys. Let's just try to run the app and see if what we were hoping for and working for the whole day, how is the result. Okay, what is this now? It took me 4 days. The repository that you see on the GitHub, it took me 4 days to develop that app, 4 or 5 days, because I was really patient with that. And one day, like, and I tried to really refine it. But this is just for you guys that I'm making this tutorial in just one day. And this is me clicking on the favorite. Okay, favorite it. Oh wow, it works like charm. Like, see, now you go back and this will be accessible even when the app is offline. I'm so happy. In the first attempt it's working. See, you can favorite your movies. Okay, and now if you want to, if you want to click on it, and you have to implement same what I have implemented in here, whatever I have implemented in the movie adapter, you can just create another and copy paste it, right? You can copy paste it, and that you have to do it by yourself. I think I will not be going that far. So whenever you have favorite, this is the detail. Okay, so you can create another activity, favorite movie detail, and just the way we have sent this information, the parsable information from the result class, you can do it here also. So far so good. Our favorite database for offline functionality and our also movie app is fully offline functional. And what we will do here is I will close the tutorial, and to refine this you can add a swipe refresh. I will not add swipe refresh, but I will just get straight to the dagger in the next tutorial. So and then we will be able to finish this tutorial in 10 videos. So thank you so much, guys. If you don't understand anything, just text me, DM me on Instagram, or leave a comment on the video. I always reply, or just download the repository from the GitHub. So thank you, guys. See you.